Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the exciting world of BIOS chip modification. So, as you can see in this video, we've got a Dell device with a unique logo. Instead of the original Dell logo, we've also got the password to the BIOS and a company logo. Now, we're going to remove the password and recover the original Dell logo. Once we open up the device, we'll upload the BIOS chip and read it on the programmer. We'll then extract the file located on the BIOS chip. Next, we'll modify the file and clean it up and reprogram it again on the BIOS chip. After the completion of programming, we'll help the BIOS chip back into its place on the motherboard. And voila! The process is simple, and you'll notice that it's quite easy. Thank you so much for joining us on this tech adventure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting tech content. Until next time, keep exploring and stay tech savvy.